If you are doing these 3 things, you could be blocking your manifestation. And as a quantum success coach for nearly half a decade, I've noticed that these 3 things definitely come up when clients come to me to help them transform their life, to make more money, to have more success in their life. In my powerful 2 and 3 month programs, clients definitely have these things come up. So grab a pen and a piece of paper, because just by being aware of these things, you can truly change your life. I'm going to give you examples of all 3 of these, and I'm going to give you solutions in this video. So stay to the end, because this will truly change your life and help you step into more success in your life. If you're new here, welcome in. I'm Melinda with Infinite Guided Coaching. I would love for you to become part of the Infinite Soul Tribe. I have so many exciting things coming up, a great announcement coming up about the beautiful, beautiful portal that's coming up in August that really is connected to me. It's a number 8 portal, so that's super exciting. So stay tuned for that. Be sure to hit the subscribe bell and the little notification bell so you'll be notified every Thursday when I upload new videos just like this, and on Saturday with meditations, hypnosis, and affirmations to truly help you change your life and to reprogram your mind for ultimate success. And check out the information in my bio, in the description box, because I have some great things there if you're an entrepreneur that can change your life. Right? A bundle, you're not going to want to miss it. The information is below. So let's go ahead and dive in to what is the first thing that I want you to stop doing so that you can move through your manifestation with ease, flow, and grace. So the number 1 thing that I want you to stop doing is I want you to quit waiting. You see so many clients when they come to me, they're excited. They want to, start this new career, or they want to be a CEO, or, they want to do this new thing, but they have fear, or they have self-sabotage, or they are procrastinating, which can truly, truly hold you back. So stop waiting. Walk into the fire, right? Because if you know you want to do it, right, then you really should take that first step. Now, I'm not saying don't do the things that can truly help heal you, right? Don't, not work with a coach like with myself. What I really suggest is start doing that thing, or sign up for that thing that you want to do, right? But also do the things that can truly help you reprogram your mind for success, right? The hypnosis, the meditations, all those things, or working with a coach, right? So stop waiting and just say yes, and just walk through the fire and just start doing that thing, because you're going to be truly happy doing that. Now, an example of this is, yes, I've been a coach for nearly half a decade, but I'm going to start doing speaking engagements now, right? And what I'm speaking to thousands of women, right? I'll be speaking to thousands of people all over the world regarding this is something that I'm really passionate about, that changed my life and helped me truly become a coach, right? And so there's some emotion behind that. There's some things that really I'm pushing through to help me bring this message out to all of you. And I'm super excited to help deliver that to you. But as I'm stepping into a new endeavor, right? I've coached thousands and thousands of women and clients all over the world, and now I'm going to start doing speaking engagements. There's some things inside of me that's like, right? And so, but I'm stepping into it. I'm doing it because I know that I'm meant to help change so many lives just like you, right? And so it's super exciting. So I would say, if there's something that you want to do, don't not do it, right? I want you to have people around in your life that are supporting you in this, right? Even though it may be a little scary, right? Many times those things that are a little scary to do are things which inside your soul is trying to tell you to do that, right? And so you're overcoming that fear and you're stepping through the fire. You're stepping outside of your comfort zone, right? You see, I'm so used to coaching clients one-on-one and group classes and everything, but now I'm going to start doing public speaking. And this is something that I've wanted to do, but I'm stepping out because it's worth it. So what is it for you that is a new endeavor that you're going to start doing, put it in the comments now. I want you to really proclaim that. So just by writing it down, by putting it in the comments, you are saying to the world, I'm going to do this, right? And so I want you to start visualizing yourself doing it, start writing it down, and that you are ready to do this thing in your life, right? And then start doing it. Sign up for that class. Start doing that thing. Number 2 is I want you to quit complaining and stop doing the negative self-talk. You see, many times in our life, when we point the finger at somebody else, right? When I was going through my divorce, I could have blamed everything on my ex. I could have said, oh, it's all his fault, or he cheated on me, or all those kind of things. But instead, right, I want you to stop blaming other people, and I want you to point the finger back at you. And why am I being triggered? What can I change within myself to make myself a better person? What do I need to heal from? How can I grow from this thing that I'm complaining about or saying negative things to, right? So stop pointing the finger. One of my powerful coaches that truly helped me get to where I am today says, stop pointing the finger at other people and turn around and point the finger towards yourself. That's really when you are going to evolve, when you are going to take that next step into your future, because this is about your life, right? It's not about what they did. This is about what you can do for yourself, right? So turn the finger back at yourself and stop doing the negative self-talk about other people and really transform your life for success, right? So that's what you can truly start doing about that. And another thing in regards to those 2 things is to do some powerful affirmations. Now, I've talked about this before, but I want you to truly start incorporating I talk about Rocky a lot and the movie Rocky, right? And the eye of the tiger. I want you to start really saying your affirmations very powerfully in front of the mirror. Anytime that you can add emotions to I am a millionaire, I am successful, I am powerful, that is truly going to change your life to help you truly step into that which you are manifesting, right? And so you're not just saying, I am powerful, I am amazing, right? Put emotion behind it. Create powerful images in your mind, right? Watch my other videos. So number 3, what is the number 3 thing that I want you to stop doing is I want you to quit expecting, right? So many times we say to others, oh, I'm so disappointed that date didn't go well. I'm so disappointed in my child, they didn't do that. Or I'm so disappointed my life didn't turn out the way, right? And so when you are doing that, you are, guess what? You're putting an expectation on whatever that thing is, right? You're expecting your child to behave in the way you want them to, right? And you're expecting that date to turn out exactly the way you want it to. And there you're blocking your manifestation. You're saying, I want it to be exactly like this, right? As opposed to moving through your manifestation, as I say, and you'll hear me say many times, with ease, flow, and total grace. And what you can do to move into that ease, flow, and total grace is to say those powerful affirmations, is to do your hypnosis and meditations at night, right? But also to release that. Keep doing those action steps towards what you are trying to do, but don't be so attached that it has to look a certain way, that it has to come back a certain date, or that you really wanted this guy that you were dating to date you forever, and it didn't work out, right? Well, it wasn't meant to be, right? Release it, let it go with ease, flow, and grace. Because when you have that attitude of ease, flow, and grace, yet you're still moving towards your action step, towards aligned action steps, right? Aligned action steps are really in alignment with what do you need to do every day towards that which you are manifesting. So a great way to do all these things too is to check out my abundance workbook. It's absolutely free. The information is below. I would love for you to check that out. That can truly help you manifest your dream life and get clear on what you are bringing into your life, manifesting into your life. So there you have it. Those are your 3 things to quit doing once you quit 3 things, right? And put in the comments that you are truly, truly excited about moving into your manifestation with ease, flow, and total grace. I would love for you to comment what you are manifesting, where you are from. Until next time, my friends, in love and light, I will see you soon.